back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Mike. And this little area here, my little food pantry. Like you guys always see, my fridge and everything is a very,
What's going
not
on?
too large, but it's okay kitchen. So anyway, today guys, stop playing around, Michael. Why do you like to be playing around like that? Michael likes
I
to
just
be
like doing that, I guess.
I don't know why he does that, but he loves doing that. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna make some beef steak. If you look here to your left of the camera, you'll see that I have 6 pieces. This is beef steak cut, they're very thin. And if you can see, they're seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
That's right.
That's all I put. Now, these guys, we're gonna roast these. I already have the oven at 500.
Roast it up, roast it up.
Means that they're only gonna be cooking from the top. So I'm gonna put them in. But before I put them in, like I said before,
What'd you season it with?
I already said salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
That's right.
To taste on both sides. Make sure your meat is very nice and dry. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil,
That's right.
you know, on all these, on all 6 of them.
Oh yeah.
On both sides. Now the reason I'm gonna do this is because we're gonna be roasting.
Oh yeah.
And when you roast something, that means it's gonna cook real fast.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? So we don't want them to burn.
That's right.
Now I'm gonna turn them on the other side, and together
Yes.
we will put olive oil
That's right.
on the other side. It's just a little bottle of Palermo olive oil that I got me.
That's right.
And here we go again.
Yes.
2. Michael, can you stop? Why you like do that? Hold on. Can you back up a little bit? Okay, that's 4. And then 2 more, guys. Like that. And this is the other one. And what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put them, they're gonna go in the oven for like 7.5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it around because it's on 500. These are very thin, they're gonna cook real fast. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook them for 7 minutes. When I pull them out, I'm gonna turn them, and then I'm gonna add on top of them, this is sweet onions. I actually cut 2, but I only like cut 1 in little circles, and the other one is right here, peeled to go, and 1 jalapeno. These are gonna go on the top. Then we're gonna set it up, and they're gonna be delicious. This is a recipe that I learned from a very, 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 very old friend back in the day that I knew, and she used to make the steaks like this. And so here we go, and they used to come out really good. Oh, I gotta put them on the top, okay? Because they're gonna be roasted. It's on 500, and I'm gonna say 10 minutes. I'm gonna put 10 minutes on this. Might be 15, guys, but I don't think we're gonna need more than 10. So we'll put 15, just in case. Maybe when we come back, it'll be before the 15. But when we come back, we'll pull them out. We'll turn them. We'll add the sweet onions and the jalapeno. Finish them up, and all you guys are gonna love it. This is really, really good. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you. All those steaks, all them beef steaks, I got them all for $17. I mean, you go to a restaurant, 1 piece doesn't even cost $17. They want like $19.99, $24.99, huh? And I'm making 6 pieces for $17. With the onion and the jalapeno, like 20 bucks. So thanks for watching. We'll be right back in exactly 14 minutes and 23 seconds. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't drink and drive. We'll be right back in 15. So we put 15 minutes, and then I added up another 5 because I put, if you can see, I want to show you guys. You see, get back, Michael, you're going to get burned. You see the tray? I should have put this all the way on the top right, but I didn't, so they could cook faster. So I'm going to so I only did 16 minutes, right? 16 minutes, so it's like 1 more minute than what we have. What I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to turn it. I'm going to leave this like it is there. Let me close this real quick. I'm going to like start fire or anything. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them. Can you see how they are, Michael, white on that side?
Oh, yeah.
We want to color that. So don't be disappointed, guys. You just stay with me. You're going to see what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to show you. Okay? You see that water that is there? We're going to take that out. Okay? Let me just put this here like this in case, you know, sometimes, you know, we don't want any of these juices. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do the same thing here, guys, okay? Because we don't want those juices. And now, we're just going to put this like this real quick. Just like that. I'm gonna put some over here because we have two over here. You see, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna put some jalapeno just around it like that, guys. So, so they can have, you know what I'm saying, like that taste. See, you can come over here, Michael, and put it over there on here. See, we have a lot of onions, and now very quick, I'm gonna put these guys back. Okay, right? Back in the oven real quick. Here you go. Come on, Mike. And we're gonna leave them here for like 5 more minutes. They'll get tan real quick on the top, and we'll take them out. It says there 1:36 left, but that was from the 5 minutes extra that I put for the 20. So we're just 15. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Start, and in 8 minutes we'll be right back. It's still on broil on 500. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll be right back. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, guys. So we're back. We're like 1:03, but I'm gonna like turn it off right now.
That's right.
A minute less. You can let it cook the whole 8 minutes, but I just took a minute less, so that was 7 minutes. So we're talking about 16 and then 7 minutes. So total of 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 minutes.
That's right.
Okay, so Ginger, move. Look at Ginger. Wow, look at that, Michael. That looks beautiful. Look at there. Look at that. You like that, Mike?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Take a picture right there. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Right in the oven. Go on. Sorry, guys. It looks beautiful. Oh, yeah. I can hear the sizzling. Okay. So let me take one of them and put it
Yeah, I like doing up close. There you go.
I'm going to take the other one.
There you go.
Okay, move, Ginger. Okay. Here's the rest of
Oh, yeah.
them.
Look at that, guys.
Okay, and maybe exactly where I put the onions and the jalapeno might not be like brown like the rest of the around of the meat, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, I wanted to do that because I don't like the meat so dry. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I want to take a piece. Which one, Michael, should I take? They're all beautiful. This one? Oh, I just want you guys to see. See? This is from the onions, and it's perfect. I'm telling you right now. And it's just the flavor that this has. Mmm. 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 Oh. Hold on, guys. Almost burned my mouth. But the other is good. I just want you guys to see how they all came out. And you can see, I'm just gonna put it here all together.
Well, why don't you bring it over here, Mom?
All right, now, hold on. Let me get, move the potatoes, Michael, the French fries that we have there. And I'm gonna put them like this, and Michael likes to do that. And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm just eating a little bit of potatoes here with a little bit of ketchup, and I love it. And my steak for everyone now for dinner. And I'm gonna tell you what. It's nothing better than a juicy piece of steak. I love it. Look how tender and soft. If you look at it, and it was in the oven. So it's nice and juicy. I didn't want to make it all crispy all around and go through, because then it dries out and then you really don't even taste the flesh of the beef steak that I have here for you guys. And then those sweet onions on the top. Sweet onion. I can eat onions. I can eat everything now, right, Mike?
That's right.
Okay, guys. But with that, now that you guys go, sometimes people make steaks and we usually like grill it, sear it, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of people never really put them in the oven. I like putting them in the oven. They get a great taste.
They're beef steaks.
Exactly, and you're not eating all that grease that you cook it with, because whether you like it or not, it is part of it. But right down and let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow on, don't forget to do all those things that we like to do. I'm gonna tell you, this is some good soft meat. It's so nice and tender. I gotta give Mike a little piece, but I know I gotta let you guys go, so you guys know what to do. You guys know where to follow us and look for us. Don't forget to press the notification button. So every time you see a video like this, you get notified. And also, if you want to donate $1 or not, go down below and click on patreon.com. It'll take you directly to the website where you can donate from $1 to $5, 10, 20, 50, 100, whatever you guys want to donate to our beautiful channel that we love having and teaching you guys many, many recipes or just sharing it with you. Okay? So love you all. Go bye now. Have a nice day. Don't drink and drive. Today is Tuesday. I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.